Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to review ISBF for you all. So if you are interested in graduate diploma in data science, you must watch this video till the end. This video is going to be super informative. I'm going to share all the details related to ISBF, including the course objectives, specialization, admission process, eligibility, placements, and much more. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So now without any further ado, let's get into the video. Now, talking about the course objective, this program aims at offering an interdisciplinary and highly practical approach to data science. The students are equipped with skills in data analysis using tools such as R and Tableau. ISBF uses real-world and peer group learning approach to teaching. Thus, it ensures that the students get hands-on experience from expert data scientists. The duration of this course is of 1 year and type of program is a full-time program. Talking about the program curriculum and specializations, this program comprises of 4 modules. Each module offers a specific skill set in data analysis. The 4 modules are machine learning, information system management, business analytics, applied modeling and prediction, and elements of econometrics. After completing each module, students are evaluated using real-world case studies, continuous assessment tests, and projects. Talking about the admission process, interested students are required to visit ISBF website and access the application form, upload self-attested documents, and you also have to pay an application fee. The admission panel at ISBF will review the application and invite candidates for a graduate diploma entrance test. Candidates with above 650 in GMAT, above 90 percentile in CAT, or above 300 in GRE are exempted from the entrance test. Now, talking about the eligibility, you must have an undergraduate degree in a quantitative discipline, preferably mathematics, economics, computer science, or statistics. You must also have had mathematics as a primary subject in school up to class 12. If you are someone who's interested in statistics, data analysis, or logical thinking, you will definitely have an added advantage. Now, talking about the scholarships, ISBF offers need-based and merit scholarships at the time of admission. Interested students must apply for scholarships by filling the form online. Students can also apply for education loan through ISBF partner credence. The financial institutions that extend loan facilities to ISBF students include Bank of India, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, and several non-banking financial companies. Now, let's talk about the placements at ISBF. Data science graduates take up diverse roles including data architects, data analysts, statisticians, database managers, business analysts, and analytics managers. A majority of graduates get jobs during the institution's placement drive. Some of the companies that participates in the placement drive include Barclays, Citibank, and Accenture. The average entry-level salary for graduates is 6 lakhs per annum. I hope this video was helpful and beneficial for you. If you have any doubts, you can put them down in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more such content.